If you have been following AI video generation, you know how fast the things are moving. But today we are testing a major leap forward on the Hailuo web platform.
The all-new MiniMax H3 model. Now, why is H3 getting so much attention? First off, it introduces omnireferences, native multimodal understanding that lets you feed the AI text, images, audio, and video simultaneously to guide your final output. On the top of that, H3 delivers native 2K resolution videos for up to 15 seconds with an impressively low price per second, making high-end production accessible to everyday creators.
In this video, we are doing a complete hands-on walkthrough using strictly MiniMax H3 and its multimodal reference capabilities. Let's dive in.
Starting here on the high-level web interface, the very first step is selecting the car model. In the model dropdown, make sure to select MiniMax H3. The defining feature here is the multimodal reference toggle. Once enabled, you are no longer limited to just typing a prompt or uploading a static start frame. H3 allows you to combine multiple reference inputs into a single generation context. For our first test, we are uploading a clean human face photograph to maintain character consistency, which is one of the H3's strongest capabilities, alongside a short audio track for mood and a descriptive text prompt detailing the atmosphere.
What makes H3 special is how it synthesizes these inputs as a unified visual and emotional context.
Instead of treating text and images as a separate instructions, the model analyzes how the sound, visual subject, and prompt interact, giving you far more predictable control over the final skin.
Let's look at the generation process and analyze the results.
H3 truly shines when focused on deliberate composition, realistic detail, and precise camera work. Notice the character continuity. The facial features from our reference photo are locked in seamlessly without the strange wrapping or identity shifts we often see in older models. Next, let's examine text rendering and localized control. One of the toughest benchmarks for AI videos have always been crisp text placement on product packaging or UI interfaces. When we prompt H3 to include specific branding elements and readable text overlays, the rendering comes out clean, legible, and stable frame by frame. If you need to extend the shot or adjust localized elements, H3's instruction following keeps continuation steady, maintaining spatial awareness across the full 15-second duration. Beyond simple visual demos, MiniMax H3 is specifically tailored for practical creator production. Whether you are generating e-commerce ads, UI mockup animations, branding teasers, or gaming visuals, the efficiency boost here is substantial. For e-commerce and marketing workflows, being able to take existing asset photos, pair them with a targeted audio vibe, and generate broadcast-ready 2K promo clips reduces friction dramatically. You get clean product lighting, accurate materials, and polished motion without spending thousands on commercial shoots. For game designers and VFX creators, H3 serves as a powerful look-there look. You can input early conceptual sketches or a reference footage, and H3 translates them into dynamic cinematic sequences while adhering closely to your design parameters.
To get the absolute best results out of MiniMax H3, just keep these key points in your mind.
First is leverage multimodal inputs. Don't rely on text alone. Pair your prompts with clear visual or audio references to anchor character details, style, and tone. Second, focus on quality over chaos. H3 exalts the subtle motion, lighting dynamics, character consistency, and sharp detail. Avoid overloading prompts with extreme multi-action choreography. Third one is utilize native 2K. Take advantage of the full 15-second 2K output for high-fidelity final renders right out of the box. Overall, MiniMax H3 brings a practical, high-value toolset to Hailuo, bridging the gap between experimental AI video and professional content production.
If you haven't tried H3 yet, head over to Hailuo web platform and test it out for yourself. Using MiniMax design is a more affordable option. Check the link in the description to try it out. And my dear friends, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.